Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I am Suramya Kaushik and with me I have Kanav Bali. We have come to discuss about a very important topic. So IPL 2024 is going on and before the start of this IPL there was this one big question. Who will be the wicketkeeper batter of Indian team in T20 World Cup? T20 World Cup से पहले IPL है, so obviously everybody was looking forward to IPL, and when IPL started, people started looking around who can be the wicketkeeper batter options.
Yeah.
So this started up with Jitesh Sharma because that was the chatter around, right? कि जितेश शर्मा एक अच्छा ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं. उससे पहले जिस तरीके से ध्रुव जुरेल परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, दो वो टेस्ट फॉर्मेट था तो उनका भी नाम सामने आया. But surprisingly, it has turned out that on social media, people are wanting Dinesh Karthik to go to T20 World Cup now. Now, what has happened throughout in this IPL so far, we'll discuss, and we'll quickly also discuss who is the best contender to go to T20 World Cup. First up, let's begin with Dinesh Karthik. Kanav.
Absolutely, yeah. Dinesh Karthik's issue क्या है? The issue is that he played the 2022 World Cup and many people believed that it was his last hurrah. Okay, you brought back Dinesh Karthik because he had a stellar IPL in 2022.
Actually,
so you thought you might as well bring him into the World Cup if he can translate that form into the World Cup, which didn't happen.
Yeah.
So अब क्या हुआ जब वो हो गया तो everybody said ठीक है, you brought back Ashwin, you brought back Karthik. Done and dusted. Next World Cup, next T20 World Cup, which is 2 years down the line, उस time पे you bring in the youngsters.
Yeah.
Now the thing is nobody was talking about Karthik before the IPL began. It's just the performances that he has shown in this IPL so far that people are saying यार बनता तो है the way he is playing. But then again the other side to this debate is कब तक पीछे जाओगे यार. अभी पार्थिव पटेल has given a statement that going for Karthik means you are taking a step backward.
True.
So no matter how good Karthik is performing, choosing Karthik will be a step backward because why? You have a truckload of youngsters in the wicket-keeping department, and yet you are going for someone who made his debut before Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Yeah.
See it that way, and I'm not saying that just because he is that old a player, he's a bad player. He's a great player. The performances that he's showing, वो बहुत impressive performances है. But then again, you have better younger options. और World Cup में कार्तिक ने 2022 में भी परफॉर्म नहीं किया था. और सबसे बड़ी बात, वेस्ट इंडीज और यूएसए की विकेट्स काफी स्लो.
Exactly.
So this is something you will have to consider. IPL अलग चीज है. IPL में आपको सारी पिचेस बहुत प्यारी मिलेंगी एक्सेप्ट लखनऊ और चेन्नई एक हद तक. चिन्ना स्वामी जहाँ पे कार्तिक खेलते हैं, जहाँ पे उनकी सबसे ज्यादा मेजॉरिटी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेज आती हैं, इट्स अ बेल्टर, इट्स अ पैराडाइज फॉर बैटर्स. वहाँ पे कार्तिक की परफॉर्मेंस आ रही है, नो डाउट. वहाँ पर परफॉर्मेंसेज with all due respect to Karthik and all the people batters who bat there, it's relatively easier. On the pitches in West Indies and USA, I still find it will be tougher for Dinesh Karthik. So for me, Dinesh Karthik, I love that player. I support RCB. I love Dinesh Karthik, but for me, that's he's a big no.
Yeah, actually, because you know, if we'll bring in DK into the squad or for that matter, even into the 11, because obviously आप matches खेलने जाओगे तो 11 भी आपको बनाना पड़ेगा. I think it'll be a repeat telecast of what happened in the previous edition of the T20 World Cup. So you really can't rely on the same lineup that didn't bring you results. At the end of the day, you really want that trophy, right? So I don't think so that bringing in DK will be a great option. Obviously, he's a really great player. And I completely agree with Kanav that, see, where's IPL happening? IPL is happening in India. So you really can't compare the pitches. So you want to look forward to a player who can perform over there. Then comes to our mind Rishabh Pant. First of all, superb comeback from Rishabh Pant. What he has shown, I don't think so anybody could have in the time span that he has done.
Absolutely.
Great comeback. Great half centuries by him. In Delhi Capitals, if there is one player who's been consistently playing decently well, that's Rishabh Pant. And not only with bat, also with his keeping skills. In the match against Gujarat Titans, he got Player of the Match award for his keeping, for his quick stumping, for the catches that he took, which means that he is a very good fit for that wicket-keeper batter. But given what all happened, obviously it was an unfortunate incident and he missed out on cricket. Do you think that he should be on that flight to the US and the Caribbean?
See, Surama, for me right now, Rishabh Pant is the front runner in this race of wicket-keeping spot. He is the front runner. Why? He has scored the second most run in the IPL from wicketkeeper so far. Who has scored the most runs? Dinesh Karthik again. With probably Sanju Samson. But Dinesh Karthik has had a better strike rate than Rishabh Pant. And the best strike rate amongst all the keepers. Run Sanju Samson ne dale hai. But see, Rishabh Pant, the way you said, the way he has made the comeback, that is, एक होता है कि ठीक है ऋषभ पंत is good enough to play the IPL, but he is good enough to play the IPL in this way, the way he is batting, that's highly commendable. Plus he bats in the middle order, he is a great fit. वो नीचे इंडियन टीम में आपको नहीं ऊपर मौका मिलेगा, आपको नंबर 5 नंबर 6 पे खेलना है. ऋषभ पंत, even though I agree he's a number 4 batter, but for me currently he's the front runner, he's scoring runs, he's keeping well, as you said कि वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बॉडी स्टिफ है, इंजरी से आई है, रिकवरी से आई है, तो इट्स टेकिंग टाइम. ही इज लुकिंग रियली गुड. ही इज अ वेरी T20 sort of a batter. जो obviously I agree Rishabh Pant takes time to start at times, but he can play his shots very well from the word go. So for me, in all the names that are doing rounds, there are some names we'll take further down in this video, and I'll tell you why those people are not compatible. But for me, as of now, Rishabh Pant is surely going into that flight.
Yeah, even I think so, because you know, as I already mentioned, he is playing really well on both the fronts, and that's what you need. But very important topic that Kanav touched upon is the batting position. तो कौन से नंबर पे बैट करने उतरेंगे विकेट कीपर बैटर? Largely 5 or 6. और 5 और 6 पे कौन बैट कर रहा है आजकल? ऋषभ पंत and दिनेश कार्तिक. So these are the two wicketkeeper batters who are really into that contention to go into the US and the Caribbean to play T20 World Cup. Now comes different names. We have one name as KL Rahul, we have one name as Sanju Samson, we have one name as Ishan Kishan, and then there are some fleeting names like Dhruv Jurel, Jitesh Sharma that I already mentioned at the beginning of the video. But to go with, let's start with Sanju Samson, because Kanav said that, you know, Sanju Samson has the most number of runs in terms of wicket keeper batters. I think 270 odd runs that he 276 that he has. Sanju Samson is not playing at the position that he should play if he wants to be there.
He's a gun player for Rajasthan Royals, and if it's a Rajasthan team, you are making Sanju Samson will definitely be there. For the Indian team, you will have to have someone who bats at number 5 or number 6. Sanju Samson, he's a great batter. वो अच्छा perform कर रहे हैं, अच्छी boundaries मार रहे हैं, strike rate is also good enough. But the point is, the reason he has 276 runs is because he's batting at number 3. He's batting right up at the order number 3. Top 3 में वो आते हैं, उनके पास टाइम होता है. तो आप टॉप 3 और ओपनर को अगर नंबर 5 पे ले आओगे ना, नंबर 6 पे ले आओगे, तो वो इक्वेशन नहीं बनती. तो ऑल द Sanju Samson fans, I love Sanju, the way he bats, and I still believe he should have gotten more chances in the Indian team. But for this T20 World Cup, he's a no for me, and purely on the basis of the fact that he bats at number 3 or number 5 पे bat करना is not feasible. And Sanju Samson takes his time. He can't hit from the word go. उनको चाहिए एक ओवर तो चाहिए, 1.5 ओवर सेटल होने के लिए कम से कम 6 से 8 बॉलें, और वो T20 में नंबर 5 पे नंबर 6 पे is something you can't afford. So I don't think Sanju Samson is a fit in that regard.
Then comes KL Rahul. So KL Rahul, the same issue. He is not playing at a position where he can be fit into the role of a wicketkeeper batter in the Indian team. For Lucknow Super Giants, he might be a good pick for the wicket-keeping role, though they also have a lot of wicket-keeper batters in their team. And we saw that, you know, in one match we saw how Quinton de Kock kept the wickets for LSG. But KL Rahul, strike rate is a problem in T20 format. Then the batting number that he plays at, that's also a big problem. So a lot of problems over there, and I don't think so that KL Rahul will go. If KL Rahul had chosen to play in the middle order in this IPL, then I would have, you know, had a discussion around KL Rahul maybe thinking of going to the T20 World Cup, but I don't think so that's happening. Then we have someone like Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan, again, he opens with Rohit Sharma. There is no place for openers there, because two players are pretty much fixed. One to obviously Rohit Sharma, and the other one, there are some chatters around Yashasvi Jaiswal that we'll cover in the other video. But Ishan Kishan, some 150 odd runs, right? In this
196, I guess. But then not enough. Not enough. Also, he's an opener. Again, the same debate. अगर संजू सैमसन का नंबर 3 पे प्रॉब्लम है, तो ईशान किशन तो बहुत ऊपर बैट कर रहा है. He's batting as an opener. He is also he hits really well. The way he scores some boundaries, I don't think any other batter can. But then again, this again boils down to, you can't jumble the batting order in such a way कि आप opener को नंबर 6 5 6 पे भेज रहे हैं. It's a big no. So in all this all these names, there are two people who bats at the order where Indian team wants a wicket keeper, that is Rishabh Pant and Dinesh Karthik. एक भेजोगे तो I would stand with Rishabh Pant, दो भेजोगे तो I would stand with Pant. And again Karthik का वही आएगा कि you are going backward, but as a backup keeper I don't mind having Karthik in that squad.
Yeah, and that's purely because the way he's playing in the IPL.
He's playing, yeah.
He's playing brilliantly well. And quickly, I'll touch upon two other names also. One is Dhruv Jurel, who hasn't kept wickets in this IPL and who hasn't been among runs. So I think that's a very big no for me right now. And then comes Jitesh Sharma. Now, Jitesh was a really good pick before the start of the IPL. And I would love to highlight it before the start of the IPL. Now, I've kind of mentioned things about Rishabh Pant. I think there is no conversation around Jitesh at the moment. If he had been in among runs in this season, then there would have been a conversation.
He was given a chance. He played the Afghanistan series. He was given a chance. He was given a platform. But then again, IPL's recent form, recency bias will obviously kick in. And too young, Jitesh Sharma and Dhruv Jurel, I believe they'll have their chances going forward in future. As of now, they are too young. India has better senior experienced options than these two. These two are gun players, but they have enough time. Right now, it will be too young, too early for them to send them to the T20 World Cup. So I don't think, honestly, if you ask me, Shramme, out of all the keepers, I don't think there's even a single keeper who can bat well on slow pitches, and that will be a cause of concern. Rishabh Pant, Dinesh Karthik, जो top 2 contender है, even they can't bat well on slow pitches.
Exactly.
So that will be an issue. हमारे पास जो options है, उसमें भी हम ये फंस गए हैं कि pitches ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नहीं हो रहा T20 ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नहीं हो रहा है, इंग्लैंड में नहीं हो रहा, साउथ अफ्रीका में नहीं हो रहा, वेस्ट इंडीज में हो रहा है जहाँ बहुत स्लो पिचेस होती है, और यूएस से तो यू हैव नो आइडिया कैसी पिचेस होंगी. वो ड्रॉप इन पिचेस होंगी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बनेंगी, वहाँ आएंगी उड़ के, कैसी होंगी नोबडी हैज एन आइडिया. बट देन अगेन आउट ऑफ ऑल द ऑप्शंस यू विल हैव टू इवेंचुअली चूज. आई गेस पंत एंड कार्तिक.
I think so. I also think the same. So it's Rishabh Pant and Dinesh Karthik for us. But Rishabh Pant clearly, Dinesh Karthik can be a backup option.
If you are okay to take a backup wicket keeper in the squad, because in case God forbid if your frontline keeper gets injured, you'll need to. There's no one who can keep wickets. A batter, usually KL Rahul hote the, who is a proper batter who can keep wickets in emergency, but KL Rahul in T20 is a big no. It's a big no. I don't think there's even a debate. Pre-2019, KL Rahul would be my first player to write in a World Cup squad in a World Cup 11. After 2019, big no.
Yeah, a lot of things change over there. So Rishabh Pant it is for us. Who do you think will be a perfect fit for the wicket-keeper batter role in the T20 World Cup for the Indian side? Do let us know in the comment section down below. Until then, you keep watching Cricket Next.
Fastest cricket score updates या सबसे detailed stats.
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या healthy debates.
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज. सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.